In today's video, we're just going to go over one of the setups that I had talked about earlier, and that was bowing. And if you remember the concept, it was a break in the symmetry of this declining swing. Once we rallied for more than all these prior rally swings here, that was the first indication that we might have a more important low in place. So that's when I said we wanted to look at the next pullback for a possible entry. This is where it scared the hell out of me, but then it did end up rallying from that area. So the only thing I want to do here is give you a heads up that we're getting close to the initial upside targets off of this last low, because typically the target's going to be the 1272 of the swing into the zone here, and that comes in, let's see, that's around the 343 area. So you're not too far away from that, and there's a lot of other overhead resistance that's coming in from some of these prior swings. So beyond the symmetry projections, we have the retracements, we have extensions of other swings, extension of this swing, projections of these swings. So an important resistance hurdle comes in at 341.39 to 344.22, and another at 347.75 to 349.41. So this is a really good time to ratchet up your stops, at least have a break-even stop, because you don't want it to become a losing trade. And know that if we can eventually push through these important hurdles, that it is more likely to continue to rally towards this bigger picture target. Now, whether that can happen, it's probably not going to happen before the earnings date, but right now I have to call myself a cautious bullish because the pattern's bullish, but cautious because we're running into a lot of resistance here in price. And also, as far as my index work is concerned, I have quite a bit of timing as far as cycles for anticipating a possible high, at least short term, in the indexes.